We are waiting for Eva to log in. Tumpe dakika kiasi. Eva?
Yes.
You can share your screen. Excel sheet. That one. So Ruth and Glow.
Yes.
So we can continue. Huh? We
Yeah.
said this particular page, you feel maybe if you have another business. Once you have another business, in between, you estimate your tax and pay to KRA. So if you have paid the tax in between the year and the total amount you paid, this is where you declare. So that at the end of the period, at the end of the at the end of it, when you are filing the final one, it will reduce your taxes. So for example, if you are paying 20,000 at the end of the year, and in between you paid 8,000, so it has subtracted to. So you are meaning you are not going to pay 20,000, but you are going to pay 12,000. So basically for this one, it is for those who have other business, that is other income. So I think with time tutafanya moja yenye ita affect hapo. Oh.
Eva ameenda.
Eva ameenda na ndio host wetu. Wow.
Yeah.
Let's wait. So hapo tuko pamoja. Even Ruth went. So Glow, you are okay with that? Nyamoita?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay with it.
Yes, we shall, although we shall do a question on that, we shall file one of it there so that at least we see.
One that has other income.
Yeah, the one that has other income. I really don't know whether time will allow us today. We do one, but we believe so. Network ikianza kumisbehave in this manner, inasumbua at times. But we pray that everything itakuwa sawa. We wait for, as we wait for Eva to come back and the Ruth. So if Caro, maybe I can ask you a question. Caro.
Okay. Yes.
So up to now, do you have any difficulties up to where we have reached?
No, I'm fine.
Can you give you a P9? You do from 1 to whatever.
Yes.
So basically, Caro na Glow, the best thing I can do, me, I do have clients. Me nakuanga na clients. For employment,
okay.
I do charge 200 shillings, like the one we are doing.
Okay.
And for the the other businesses, I charge 5,000 because I will have to do the financials and do everything until I get the profit. So what I can be doing if mtaiva kabisa, nitakuwa na wazambazia hiyo kazi because ile mwisho watu kuanga wengi and I become huwa nakuwa overwhelmed. So if kama mtakuwa mumeiva, hapo tu nitakuwa na wasambazia, then I think you will be doing. Maybe you get kamaziwa, not bad, pia mkiiva. Is that okay?
Iko sawa.
Sawa.
Yeah, that is perfect.
So after doing this, I want you to do more practice. More practice. That is how you utajua. You can repeat even what we have done severally with the Excel sheet. You do. Then I think sasa utafika mahali unasema I'm okay. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect.
Ruth.
Yes.
I'm trying to get Ruth. Ruth. She's there, but the microphone is not active. But we can continue. Huh? Bora anatusikia. So we go to the last one, which is tax computation. Eva?
Yes.
We go to the last one,
Last one.
tax computation.
Oh, we were done with here.
Yes, I've already explained.
You don't have to
Oh.
feel because there is no other income tax computation.
Oh, for this particular part.
Yes, for
Okay.
funnies. This particular one is for funnies. Then now,
Oh, funnies. Oh, doesn't have any other tax.
she doesn't have any other income. But we
No
should
income.
do one
Yeah.
that one applies.
Okay.
Tax computation. Pension, we said you go to the P9. That's where you get pension. So you can display for us the P9. Yeah, that one. Is everyone seeing where pension is? 74,000 or 94.0.
494. Yes.
So that is what we shall put the other side in our Excel sheet. So if you can go back, we are going to read for you. 74, 494.8. Yeah, that one. Is okay? Then another thing we are going to fill is for personal relief. That is number 12.6. Is everyone?
2,400. Yes.
Personal relief.
Times 12. 2,400 times 12.
Yes, 2,400 times 12. It is normally shown in the P9. So go back to the P9 for everyone to see where it is.
28,800.
Yes, 28,800. That is the pension for the whole year. For per month is 2,400. So we go back to our Excel sheet.
Okay.
So, okay, go down. Kufikia hapo, you are done. Just go down. Scroll down. So you see there, for Evelyn and Caro, what did we say yesterday? If you can't, if you can remember.
But if we have a positive figure,
Yes.
that means the person is required to make a payment to KRA.
Yes.
If it is zero, flat zero, that means the
KRA.
the file return has been done correctly.
Mhm.
And if it's a negative, that means the person has overpaid KRA and they should request for refund.
Okay. Carol, do you agree that? Carol? Carol,
Yes.
do you agree with that?
Sorry, I cannot get you.
We have asked, what is the implication of the 0.55? Do you remember what we said?
I think that's a tax due to payable.
Yeah.
Yes.
And when it is
So
a
I think what
negative-
we do,
yes.
because that amount cannot be paid.
Come up again. So we have lost Caro. Glo. Glo,
Yes, John. Yeah.
have
Yeah.
you understood what we have said?
Yes, I've understood that if the balance is negative, it has to be a tax refund.
Yes.
So KRA is owing you that amount. If
Yes.
it is a positive balance, it is tax payable to
Yes.
KRA.
Okay.
So you owe, like in this case, the taxpayer is supposed to pay 0.55
Yes.
cents.
Yeah.
So
Hey, she's breaking. Eva?
Yes.
Eva?
Yes.
Oh, she's breaking. So mwenye anaingia tu na muadmit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Then we can
Also,
continue,
my connection is also not that good.
but no problem. Tutavumilia tu.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm.
So at that point, we said we validate. Validating means we are completing the transaction or we are zipping this document for it to be uploaded to portal of KRA. So Carol, Eva, you can validate for us. And we said that once the document has been validated, it automatically saves itself to the document folder. So while maybe you can, when you are going to look for the document, you just go and look it at the document folder. So all the validated Excel sheets for KRA, they are normally saved to documents. So there you say yes. Then as before you say okay, you can see they are even giving you a direction or an instruction. You find the zip file here, C/user/ikaranja/documents. So tuko pamoja hadi hapo. Then you say okay. So once you are done there, you go back to Chrome, to KRA portal, because our sheet is now ready for uploading. So you just choose file, go to documents. Yeah, there, documents, that one. And you will have to ensure the KRA number is the same, or maybe in this scenario, unaweza pata uko na mingi, you have done so many of them. So what guides you, it is the KRA number. So for fun is, that is the KRA number. Also time can guide you because it is 2108. Na leo ni tarehe ngapi? 18.
18.
Yes, that is the correct one. So you pick it, open. Agree the terms and conditions, then submit. Say okay. It is saying, okay,
Valid.
the what? The pin number for KNH, it is not starting with A. Should it start with P? Are we together? P, yes.
Yeah.
So one thing I wanted us to realize here is, if you make any other mistake, it won't accept. If you put any other, if you do anything that is wrong, it cannot accept. So you go back to Excel sheet. So go to F employment. F employment. Yeah. There. Rudi huko mwisho.
The other
Hapa
side.
mwanzoni. Instead of A, click on that, put P. Yes. Then go to M details. Then click hapo katikati. Pale tulisema choose from there. Don't type, use from there. Click, yeah, that one. So that is the correct. Again, you go to the last one, you validate.
Tax computation.
Validate. But remember, you are going to have the two validated documents. So what they will differentiate, or what will identify, the unique identifier is the time. Sema yes?
Yes.
Sema okay.
Okay.
Go back to Chrome. Yeah. Yeah. Then next.
Next.
Then choose.
Fine.
So the time, just the time ndio inatu. I think that is the SAI. Open. You see there are two, so you have to pick that one. Saa 3:11. Open. And submit. Submit is down there. Same okay. We wait. So as you can see, return submitted successfully with acknowledge number of that one. So for that one, we have done the correct thing. So you download the what? The returns receipt. Download the returns receipt. Yes. Yeah. It gives you a summary of everything that we have done. To show you gross income, employment income, taxable income, tax payable, tax refund, tax due. So here you see it is tax due. So once you have the 0.55, you have to pay. If you cannot pay the 0.55, it will start attracting interest, penalty, and whatever. So that when you, at any given time you want a tax compliance, you will never know. You will never have it because you have not paid KRA. So for 0.55, we have to pay. So you go to the portal. You want to see how we are going to pay. Go to the portal. Yeah. Pay. No, don't go anywhere. Payment. So as you see, automatically imekuja hapo. Have you seen it? Hello? See what tunaona hapo?
Tunaiona.
Automatically imekuja hapo. You remember we were having 0.55, but now you cannot pay 0.55. They will round off to the nearest cents, which is 1 shilling. So in this particular case, we are going to pay 1 shilling. So you click hapo kwa Jan 2021 to December 2021. Ako kakitu ka kwanza. Click on that. Click on it. Then add. You see the button of add? Add. Yes. And kindly you note the steps. So go down. So choose mode of payment. Choose. It is other payments mode. Then submit. Submit. Uko chini. Scroll down. Yeah, submit. Say okay. So, okay, just usiende sana. What I want us to do, click on toa hiyo kitu iTax. I explain. You can either download the payment slip. The payment slip will have instructions of payment. So kindly download for us the payment slip. That one. Tuione hapo. That one. Okay. So you can either pay using, you can either pay for a bank. You just walk to with that payment slip to the bank and pay 1 bob. Or you can use M-Pesa. Scroll down. Where you to scroll down? No. Where we were? Ever? Yeah, down. You can use M-Pesa. So if you see hapo kuna mali wameandika M-Payment. So you can pay using Paybill, which is your 572 account. You put the whole of that number. Amount is 1 bob. Then you submit. Itaenda. That is one of the ways of paying. Number 2, go to the. Are we together mpaka hapo? See what?
Kuna mwenye ako na kelele anafaa kumute.
Yes. Kidogo tu. Ruth.
Yeah.
Mute.
Yes.
Yeah, kuna kelele kutoka side yako kidogo. And I hope you are following.
Oh.
And I hope you are following.
I joined in later. I'm lost, but I will try to catch
The
up.
good thing we are recording, so we shall share the recording. So, for those who are following, are we together with up to there? That type of payment. I start with Glo.
Yes.
Okay?
I'm okay.
Caro? Caro?
Yes, I'm fine.
Eva?
Yes, I'm okay.
Eva?
Yeah.
Yeah, go back to our portal again. Uko juu? KRA. Hapo. Click, yeah. Now, the next one, it is pay with mobile money, all credit. So when you want to pay direct, you click on that. Click on that. So itakuambia that way. So you come, mode of payment, click mode of payment. Hapo, kwa mode of payment, yuko juu. That, no, chini yake kidogo mode of payment. Say mobile money. If you are paying using mobile money, you pay using it. If it is a credit card, you see. So hapo kwa mobile number, weka, I want us we see how the functionality, how it is. Weka my number, 0726 840, 653. Then scroll down, submit. Same okay. Then itaniambia niweke pin in my phone number. So once nikiweka pin, OneBob automatically inatolewa kwa simu yangu where I've done it. So we just wait for the message, then I show you where OneBob goes. So go back. Hapo, go to my ledger. A general ledger report. There, choose income, tax head, choose that first one, then show ledger. Are you seeing the payment of OneBob? Uko juu, the last one. No, up, OneBob. The OneBob is what I've paid. You can see it. Today, 18th April 2022.
Yes.
Account number is the one. If you go back, you can see that is the account number they gave, then payment. So we have already done that. So for funnies, hako sawa. Tuko pamoja mpaka hapo? Are we together mpaka hapo si wote? Then another thing, we said when KRA is doing what? Is deduct when your employer deducts you money, your account is normally credited. When you file, your account will be debited. So in our case, we have already filed and we have filed today. So you can see 500, no, sorry, Jew, Panda Jew ever? Panda Jew, yeah. You can see the debit side of 586,655. So that's, you can remember what we said. We said once your employer akikata pesa, your account will normally be credited, which is now that one 49,447, hivo. Ukifile, your account will be debited to clear. So when we were doing so, if you are drawing T account, you have your credit side, you have the debit side. So whatever balance, whatever before you balance, back, either it will be a due or a due or a refund. For us, our case was a due. So and we have already paid, and that account as balanced. Are we together mpaka hapo? Because it's a continuous, wezi ona huko chini kama imebalance, because it's always continuous. Mboko already iko na ya this year. So it will never balance. Because ukiangalia tax ya this year 2022, unaona hapo umeka kasa?
Yeah.
2022, so
Yes.
already imekuwa submitted 49,44,25. So that's
yes.
balancing. But if we don't have for this year, that account must balance. Pamoja?
Okay.
Then Panda Juu, we want to apply the tax compliance for funnies. We see whether the tax compliance is okay with that. So you come to certificates, apply for tax compliance. Click on that. Sorry, just wait zagumbuka. Sorry. Continue.
Hello.
Yes, and that is the issue of a net.
Oops.
What you can do, click funga hiyo, funga the KRA. Open another KRA now. Yeah. Back. Yes. Go to certificates. Yeah. Now, kidogo, usitoke hapo. Hapo inasema, please be informed that you are entitled for tax compliance certificate without any workflow. Please click OK to continue. So you click OK. Good. For Fanny's, she can be able to get a tax compliance because here I'm a file vizuri. So you come, you choose the reason why you want that compliance. If it is job application, you choose job application. If it is government tender, if it is among the reasons, that is where you choose. For Fanny's, we can choose for confirmation of compliance status. That one. Then you submit. Then once you have submitted, you download Apple, download the certificate. We view the way you can see the way it is saying. This to confirm that Fanny's Ondeko personal, that one, has filed relevant tax returns and paid taxes due as provided by law. So yeah, I'm a comply. Ako sawa. The certificate is valid for 1 year. That is 12 months. So if you have any question up to there, you can ask.
Charles, I have a question.
Yes.
What if when you are doing the tax status where, let's say we got a due,
Yes.
I mean a refund, that KRA was supposed to refund us. What's to refund me as a taxpayer? What are the steps that are taken?
I think you will hold that. I've noted that. We shall do one we shall do one that will have for the refund. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes. So nimenote chini. So when we do the next one, tutadu the one that will have a tax refund. Tuko pamoja? Another question? Gulo?
Niko sawa. This one.
Ruth? Ruth? Caro?
No question.
Ruth?
I'm okay. Nilipotea kwa njia. I hope when we repeat nitapata what I
Okay,
lost.
sawa. I think we can, utapata too, but we shall share the recording for you to follow.
Yes. Exactly. Thank you.
Okay. Now, I think we can, I think it is remaining 4 minutes. Can we continue or we stop there? I wanted as we do one for withholding. No, we do one for rent. Rent is very simple. Is that okay? Hello?
We can do tomorrow.
We can do tomorrow. So today we can say, we can call it a day.
We can call it a night.
Oh, we can call it a night. Sorry. Are we together?
Okay. Yes.
So if we have,
yes, that's okay.
Yeah, we have 3 minutes. If you have anything you can say before we call it a night. So tomorrow we are meeting at, I will try, we shall meet at 8 as normal. We do rent and we do one with withholding tax. So tukiendelea, tutakuwa tunajua. Tuko pamoja hapo?
Yes, sir.
Any suggestion? Any suggestion? Any comment?
Thank you. It has been a good class.
Thank you.
We learned a lot so far. So far so good. Ukipata hizo zingine unanitumia, I'll help.
Okay. Actually, I will send you tomorrow one for a
Yeah.
P9 one tomorrow. You try.
Yeah.
I can also engage
Yes.
Caro and if Ruth, you will be okay, I will also engage you. Eva, welcome back.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Eva, what you are saying, what we have learned, we just do a practice. So I will share P9s tomorrow for the practice. You do the whole whatever, then you send me the payment, the acknowledgement receipts for me to review. So let's keep Caro. Aya.
Yes. Hello.
Your machine is enabled with the Excel. Are you able to know? Have you ever filed using your machine?
No, I've not tried.
Okay, you can try. You see whether the Excel sheet. I'm going to share with you a PIN number, all of you. Ruth, you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and Gulo?
I do.
So I will share with you. I'll share the PIN so that you download. You see whether the Excel sheet is compatible. Then Ntawasambazia 111. You try where you are stuck. Then we shall review. I think it's less than 1 minute. I can say good night.
Good night too.
Yes.
Yes.
Good night too.
Good night.
Ukikwama,
too.
I'm available. Just contact me.
All
Yeah,
right.
I think I should start trying with mine. Eh?
Okay. Just start with yours, Ruth. Where you ukikwama,
Yeah.
uniambie.
Exactly. I missed a little bit. My phone had issues, but I will try to catch up.
Okay, sawa. I'm sharing the recording.
Yes.
We meet
Thank you.
tomorrow,
Okay.
same time as today.
Same place.
And please make sure we exactly 8 we log in to save time.